Here is a special recipe, a great example of what you can send to a friend or beloved one inside the mail art. I decided to take the challenge and do an exercise with Polly and her friends by creating a mini comic of 10 pages story with a recipe to share with you. I tried to include as much text as possible in this draft so I know how much space the text balloons will occupy. I transfer each page to Photoshop and I start working on it. I add and delete elements and adjust the story as I go. Some pages take more time to redraw than others. Some take about an hour, others more time. Obviously, don't have a favorite stage. Depending on the mood perhaps, I do like to see it grow and shape to life with line, color and story. I repeat the same process with the other remaining pages, cleaning the line work and adding or subtracting elements to adjust to a better composition. This is a good way to present a simple recipe. Because we read from left to right, we start with the sugar and proceed with the correct order of adding the ingredients. Pause is no role model. It is time to print the comic as a miniature book and assemble the pages before sharing. Please leave your feedback or any questions. If you have any, I will try to answer in future posts. Thank you so much and have a great week.